Hello everyone, Teacher Chris here. Today we're going to do 2019 paper 2 GCE, the continuation of question number 9. So this time around we're going to do question number 9b. Okay, so on top of this question it says answer this part of the question on a sheet of graph paper, meaning that whatever you're going to do, please do it on this sheet of graph paper. Okay, so the question reads, using the table above, copy and complete the relative cumulative frequency table below. So which table above? This table here. So using the table above, which is in question 9a, copy and complete the relative cumulative frequency table below. So that table below I had constructed it already for you. So it's this one. So they want us to complete this table here. So the first row we have the age, which is in years, then we have those. The next one we have cumulative frequency, then the one that follows is relative. This is cumulative frequency, this is cumulative frequency. Okay, so now they want us to complete there. So by completing we are going to get 1 mark. So how are they completing? Or how were they getting these answers in there? So how they were getting those answers, we are saying this one here, you've seen this is 0 there, yes. So when you say 0, divide by that total there, that 30, you've seen that 30, good. So our answer is 0. That's where these zeros are coming from. Okay, then that 2 there, that's 2, divide by that 30. 2 divided by 30, you're going to get 0.0666 like that. So when you round it off, that's where 0.07 is coming from. Okay, then this one 0.23, or say 7 divided by 30, you get 0.23. That's where 0.23 is coming. So meaning that for us to get these remainings for here, we're going to say 14 divided by 30, and we're going to have 0.46666. So when we round this answer off, we're going to have 0.47 like that. Okay, so to get the next one, again we're going to say 22 divided by 30, we'll have 0.73. Okay, then to get that other one, we'll say 28 divided by 30, we're going to have 0.93. So this one is 0.93. Okay, so for doing this we get 1 mark for free. Okay, that was question 1. So question 2 says using a scale of 2 centimeter. Okay, so on this we should use a scale of 2 centimeters to represent 1 unit on the x-axis, where x is ranging from 10 to 16, and a scale of 2 centimeter where x, okay, where x, this is answering 2 now, where x is ranging from 10 to 16, okay, and a scale of 2 centimeter to represent 0.1 unit where y is ranging from 0, 0, okay, from 0, 0 to 1, like that. Okay, so that is the domain and the range that has been given to us. So now what we are going to do is to have our graph paper, and we know that in statistics we don't have negative numbers, so it will suffice for us to start from this line and also that line, same time this line and also that line. Please remember I said this part of the question has to be answered on graph paper. So meaning that this table here, this table, this one, this table, it was supposed to be this table, it was supposed to be on this graph paper. Okay, so you're supposed to write this table on this graph paper. This table, write it on that graph paper. This supposed to be on that graph paper. Okay, this table, that graph paper. Okay, good. So we move on. So now we want to come up with our range. So say this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so I'm going to get my ruler, which is this one, of course. Okay, this side I'll do the same. Okay, then I'm going to get going to label this. Remember, our x is from 10 to 16, so meaning the first number here is going to be my 10. Okay, so the first number here will be my 10. Let me try to use a pen and see if I can. So the first number there is going to be my 10, so I'll write 10 there. Okay, so meaning this one it will be 11, this one will be 12, this will be 13, this will be 14, 15, then lastly 16, like that. Okay, good. So this is our x. Okay, so please ignore this part, ignore that, so that I don't have an eraser. Could have erased this part. Then this one here is supposed to be 0 0, this one is 0.1, this one is 0.2, that one is 0.3, this one is 0.4, that one is 0.5, this one is 0.6, this one is 0.7, that one is 0.8, that one is 0.9, and this one here it will be 1.0, like that. Okay, so this is 0.00. Okay, 0.00, like that. All right, so now we are going to get this table, then we plot here. So the first one is 0, 0, 0, is this one here. Okay, this one, that is 0, 0. Then the next one, remember, sorry, it's not 0, 0, but instead it is 10, 0. Okay, 10, 0. Remember, we're plotting x against relative cumulative frequency, because in the question we're saying draw a smooth relative cumulative frequency curve, a smooth relative cumulative frequency curve. So it's this one against that one against this one. Okay, this one against, ignoring that one. Okay, so the first one is 10, 0, which is this one, then followed by 11, 0.7. So 11 is here, 0.07. So 0.07 is, you count from here 7 boxes, so it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 there. Okay, so here that's where my 0.7 is. Then the next one is 12, then 2.3, so 2 is here, 0.3, you count 3 of them, 1 2 3, so we're going to have that one there. Then the next one is 13, 0.47, 13 is here, then 4 is there, 7 4 7, you count 7 of them, we're going to have it from there. Okay, then the The one that follows, that is 14,0.73. 14 is this one, 7 is there, 7,3, you count 3 of them, so we're going to have it from there. Then we have 15,0.93, so 15 is here, 9 is there, 3, we're going to have it from there. Then the one that follows is 16,1, 16,1 is there. Okay, so you hold your pencil from here, not here, there. So you come up with a smooth, very light like that. Okay, very light. Okay, so upon having this light one, then you are going to hold your pen from here, then you outline your work. So you're going to outline your graph, and you're going to have something of that nature. Okay, so that is your curve. Okay, so this is a smooth, relative, cumulative frequency curve. Okay, so that is our curve. Like you see, very neat, isn't it? Okay, so that is your curve. Okay, bearing in mind to say this table should be on the top here. It's in this space here. This space, that's where this table is supposed to be. So this table, you are supposed to copy it from that space there. Alright. Okay, so the last part of the question is saying, showing your method clearly, use your graph to estimate the 90th percentile. Okay, so the 90th percentile is, that's what we are looking for. So now you say 90 over 100 times the total, which is 1. So you're going to get 0.9. Okay, so when you multiply this, you get 0.9. So 0.9, you go in here and figure out where 0.9 is. So we realize our 0.9 is here. Then you get your ruler, you come to where 0.9 is. Okay, 0.9, you do that. Okay, then you follow it from here, you follow it down there. So you do the same. You follow that. Okay, please take note, the lines that I'm using here, they're broken line. Then you show the direction to say, I'm going to get my answer down here. Okay, so you're going to get your answer down there. Okay, so here on top, using a pen, you're going to write 90th percentile is equal to, then you get your answer here. So this is 14.8. Okay, so this is how you answer question 9B of 2019 paper 2 GCE. Please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that every time I post a video, you will be the first one to be notified.